The latest on President Trump's trade war after he announced he was delaying a 50% tariff on imports from the European Union. Our chief White House correspondent, Mary Bruce, is tracking it all for us. Good morning, Mary.
Hey, Robin, good morning. Well, all eyes are certainly on the markets this morning to see how Wall Street responds to this latest turnabout in Trump's trade war. The president is now relenting. Just for now, he is delaying that threat of a 50% tariff against the European Union, one of our largest trading partners. These massive tariffs were supposed to go into effect at the end of this week on June 1st, but instead he's now postponing them until July 9th, following a phone call with the head of the European Commission. Now, both sides this morning are promising to quickly ramp up these talks, but it's still not clear exactly what President Trump is looking for. Asked on Friday if there was anything that the EU could do to avoid these tariffs, the president said, quote, "I don't know. We're going to have to see what happens." Now, what is clear right now, the administration is not happy with how these negotiations have been going in recent weeks, and they are hoping that the threat of a 50% tariff will light a fire under these talks, Robin.
And we'll see what happens there. But meanwhile, the president is continuing his fight with Harvard. We know this, Mary.
Yeah, we certainly do. This fight is only ratcheting up. Just days after a federal judge blocked the Trump administration's ban on international students at Harvard, the president is now threatening to take away $3 billion in grants. He says he wants to redirect this money to trade schools, though he hasn't explained exactly how that would work. And just now we are learning of reports that the president has now directed and instructed all federal funds at Harvard to be canceled, meant to sever the government's remaining ties with the prestigious university. It comes as the administration has continued to argue that Harvard has become a, quote, hotbed of anti-American, anti-Semitic, pro-terrorist agitators. Those are allegations Harvard, of course, strongly denies. There is another hearing set for Thursday, but Robin, in the meantime, this now means that the fate of some 7,000 international students at Harvard are hanging in the balance.
That's right. All right, Mary, thanks to you.
Okay, Robin, we're going to get the